everybody, guys. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Leah. If you are not new here, welcome. So as you can see by the title of today's video, I got a cold air intake into my 2020 Honda Civic Sport. I'm really excited about that. I did want to modify my car. I'm really glad my big brother kind of did it for me as best to his knowledge. He's a big car guy. I would say myself. So thank you. Shout out to my big brother at Smiley7021. I will put his information down below. Go subscribe to him. I really hope you guys can hear me. Anyway, so yeah, shout out to my big brother for putting it in my car. I do want to just a small disclaimer, whichever one it is. He is not a paid professional, but like I said, he is very knowledgeable in his cars, so I did trust him in putting this car in under my hood. So this video is not a video of doing step-by-step directions on how to put in a cold air intake. This video is more so just showing you, and my brother did it for me.
What's going on, baddies? We're doing a cold air intake exchange. We're switching out the old air intake system, the stock one. And we're gonna put in this bad boy right here. This one here. Here we go. It's the performance cold air intake. Gee, horsepower, probably not. We're gonna do that today. Never done this before, so this will be my first time. But pretty simple. Take off these clips right here. You take off these little clips. Take off these ones all along here. We'll see from there. Whoops. That sounds good. You want to take these clips off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 you gotta take off that are super simple. Guess I'll try not to break too much of it. See, they get broken already from, you know, just because of, they just break easily. Like, I don't hear anything breaking. I'm gonna take it off right now. This one's fine. Okay, yeah, that broke. One is fine. This is intact. And this is not intact. I'm gonna take this part off because you don't need to touch any of this stuff. Just put it down. Okay, there you go. There you go. And then we have to take that bolt down. We have to take that bolt out and that bolt out. Oh. So I gotta get an extension open.
Okay. 10, the bolt size?
Yeah. How does it feel to live my dream?
How does it feel to live my dream? Ah! Ah!
Always wanted to call in. I don't want to lose this bolt right here.
Can I put my hand in there?
Can you grab it? You can grab it, but
Yeah.
Just kidding. This is the old intake box. You inlet, outlet, all that stuff. There you go. And I just leave it like that.
Oh.
Oh, you got to cut it. Measure it and then cut it.
I think this was to put on the top or something, para que no se fregue the metal against my thing.
Yeah. Okay, it'll be enough. That's enough. Bruh.
Yeah, I'm like, cause it's hitting everywhere a lot. I was like, oh, what's all that metal shot?
That's fine. That's fine. It fits.
Yeah.
It fits.
Yes.
Okay, let's see the instructions.
That.
Huh? What's what?
The metal pieces right there.
Oh, yeah. That's in the board.
Oh. What are you doing?
This is your sensor. But since you're getting a cold air intake, your computer doesn't know how much air it's getting, so it doesn't know how much fuel to use. Which is 100% fine. Check your
Oh, okay.
adapter.
Oh. I'm like, we can do without it.
No, you can't. You need it.
It's clean.
What you do is this.
Ah,
Just like
yes.
this, see?
That makes sense.
Just like that.
I just
That's how it goes.
Perfect.
And you just connect your thing back on there. This is what it's for. There you go. Safety. Yeah, how that goes.
What's that for?
This is adapters. So you know how I was hitting your hose right here?
Oh, yeah.
It's so it doesn't sit so low.
Oh, okay. Very
Yeah,
nice.
And we'll just screw it onto this.
Very nice. I thought so too, and you were like, we can just push them down. I was like, I don't know if we want to because,
No.
it's, you know, like metal. I didn't want to cut it.
It's not metal. It's well, it's rounded over, so you can't really.
Oh, okay.
Just screw it on.
Pieces right here. What number? 52 mm, number 40. There we go.
This. Now I know what I'm doing. Just give it
Yep.
this.
What are you doing now?
Oh yeah, I'm putting the housing back in. Putting the housing for the air intake back in. This might be too long, so I might be the other one.
Okay, so what piece is this?
This is your air sensor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go because it comes with an adapter. Because this was the actual one. This is the actual one. And this is the square piece of the adapter. Because it wasn't going to fit in that huge hole over there. See that? It'll catch the wind. Feed it right to the sensor, to the computer.
What is it for?
It's just like a slender type. I don't really know. As you're supposed to use it, and use it every time you. Okay. Okay.